Welcome to Home Cooking with Something. Today I'm going to cook braised Lou Shu Fun or braised rice bean noodles. So I have 500 grams of rice bean noodles, 2 tablespoons of pickled vegetable chopped into small pieces, some spring onion for garnishing, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, quarter teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of thick soy sauce, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of onion oil, quarter teaspoon of pepper, 2 eggs, some water. I have about 2 cups of bean sprout and about 150 grams of minced pork. I like to start off with mixing the sauce and marinate the meat first. So I'm going to put in just a little bit of water, and we're going to put in all the sauces. Thick soy sauce, oyster sauce, pepper, onion oil, and just a little bit of salt. Okay, then we're going to mix this together. Alright, the sauce is ready. I'm going to put it aside, and for the meat I'm going to marinate it with salt. Okay, now we can go and cook it. Heat the pan. Gonna put in about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. When oil is hot, I'm putting in the garlic. So I'm going to fry the garlic until brown and fragrant. Alright, garlic is nice and brown. I'm going to switch off the heat and we'll remove it out from the pan. Okay, I left some of the garlic and the oil in the pan, and I'm going to on the heat again, and we're going to fry the meat now. I'm adding in the pickled vegetable and just about 2 teaspoons of sauce mix that we put. Continue to stir fry until the meat is cooked. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes for minced pork to cook. Alright, the minced pork is already cooked now, so I'm going to switch off the heat and then put it in the bowl first. I'm just going to leave a bit in the pan. Switch on the heat again. This time I'm going to put in the Lou Shu Fun, the rice bean noodles. Put in half of the bean sprout. Half of the spring onions. Half of the fried garlic. And put all of the sauce that we mixed just now. Give it a stir. And then I'm gonna add in about 200 ml of water. Cover the lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Alright, almost 10 minutes. Oh, you see? It becomes dry. Put in the balance of the bean sprout. I like the bean sprout to be a bit crunchy. That's why we just put half and half. Okay, bean sprout in. I'm going to put in the meat. And fried garlic. Sprinkle some onions. And I have cracked 2 eggs. I'm going to just pour the egg on top like that. And cover the lid for about 1 minute. The heat from the pot will slowly cook the egg white. And for the egg yolk, we just want it to be a bit runny. So 1 minute should be fine. Alright, time's up. Just open and check. You see the egg white is slowly cooked, so I'm going to leave it in there for another few more minutes until the egg white is totally cooked, and then we can take out and serve. Alright, after a few minutes, you see the egg white is cooked pretty well and the egg yolk is still runny. So if we mix everything together and the egg and the heat from the noodles will slowly cook the egg yolk too. And we're gonna eat it with chili and garlic and like that. Wow, delicious. It's very tasty, very flavorful. The Lou Shu Fun is very nice and soft. The sauce is perfect. When eat with the chili and the fresh garlic, wow, very good. This is really nice. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye.